Hey bro, today I'm going to show a demo of how we can use Brewit to delegate access to an AI agent and do an end-to-end workflow. So today we are going to use Bhindi to do that. So let's say the first thing, I already have logged into my Brewit account. You can see there are some balances for some tokens. What I'm going to do is going to do profile, and I already have configured this agent. So Bhindi agent with some access like Tether and USDC have given full spend and swap access so that it can do transactions on my behalf. So what we are trying to do today is what we will use is a pretty cool bundle transactions flow. So I have a Google Sheet here with some names and some email to notify them, as well as the recipient address. So some of them are ENS here and one of them is an account address. And there are bunch of amounts, different amounts and tokens here. So we'll go to Bhindi, and as we have already configured few of the apps that is needed for the entire workflow, and also our Brewit base agent with some access to some secrets so that it can perform transactions. So I have a prompt here to perform fund disbursement by reading the sheet named the same monthly disbursement sheet, Google Sheet, and notify by email. So that's all I'm going to give. And it should pick all the relevant agent that's required to do transactions at the end. So it picked all the sheets, Gmail, Brewit agent to do transactions, and Alchemy to do some ENS resolution, token resolution, etc. So it's reading the sheet now. So it got an idea of what to do. It's going to resolve this tokens and ENS. Yeah, I think it's almost done. Now it should pick the Brewit agent to do the transaction as well. Here's a review of the transaction that is going to happen. The coolest thing is that it also knows that Brewit supports bundle transactions, so it can actually transfer all the 4 transfers through a single transaction. So all I'm going to do is confirm it. So the tokens are USDC and USDT because Bhindi agent already has access to this. It should go through. Yes, it has happened, and now it's just going to update sheet to say that it's been confirmed, and also send the email. So what we'll go is go to this account now, Brewit account, and see whether the transfer has happened. Just refresh. As you can see, here's the latest transfer that happened. And we can see all these 4 transfers in a single transaction bundled with different amount and tokens. And the final thing of the workflow is definitely confirming the email that will be sent to each and everyone. Just going to confirm, and it should go through. Yes. And here's the final summary. So that's all for this demo. I hope this is like a pretty cool demo to show what's the capability of Brewit with agents such as Bhindi agent. Thank you so much.